1980 Mercedes window regulators. Are they made of brittle plastic, damp wood, an atom-thick fiber, an old banana? Because this is my 5th time replacing them in 2 years.
What is up, y'all? I'm out here with the Ducks. The Golden Boy. We just got these ducks in today. We got 30 of them. We got some runner ducks, cayugas. But anyways, I was out here with them and I remembered this old comment. He was talking about like, I didn't explain it well enough how to take the freaking door panel off. I skipped steps or something, so this is for you, dude. This is specifically for you. So to begin, you got this, I don't know, kind of weird shaped piece. It's gonna have these 3 screws in the back here. Twirl those things out. These longer ones down here. Slides right out, easy peasy, easy money. The door locks, they just unscrew. You're gonna have to pop yours off there. And then there is the metal trim piece here that goes back in here. It's gonna have a screw behind it. Then here's the armrest. There's gonna be a screw up in this slot and there's a screw way up in there, kind of a weird angle. So this plastic piece basically sits in here like this and the door handle would be right here. You see these little slots? You take the finest screwdriver you have, right in there, and it pops right out. You're gonna have to pull the door handle back a little bit actually though to get it out. Then you unscrew that behind.
You need to leave.
Then you take out that screw behind. Door handle pops off, and that leaves the seat controls. You simply unplug them. They should just kind of stay there. And then one of the final steps, there'll be this little metal clip and 2 screws. Take those screws off, pop it right out, easy peasy, easy money. And then to get the door panel off, the whole thing, I'll show you the clips. It is just a bunch of these vertical clips. All you have to do is pull it straight up. So you pull the whole door panel straight up. And then you're gonna have the power cord for the ashtray back here and the door lights on the bottom. They're easy, you just unplug them. And I actually took it out yesterday. My knees, But yeah, I took the broken plastic piece out here. The window regulators basically just explode. They're made out of plastic, trying to lift this heavy old window. Too well. But yeah, this is all the parts taken off of the door. And all you need is some screwdrivers and a delicate hand around this wood. And I was going to end the video there, but apparently Dom just got the big turbo installed. I think he just might be here. Oh man, he's here. Oh yeah. It's looking gnarly.
It's not a big turbo, it's a hybrid KO4.
It looks gnarly right now, dude, with the front bumper off.